case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a significant legal setback for Morris Carter, the U.S. Appeals Court ordered a resentencing of his conviction in a 2008 case. Carter, a former elected recorder for Lake County, Indiana, was initially charged and convicted of 3 counts of extortion under the Hobbs Act. This case bore heavily on covert recordings from an FBI informant and highlighted nuanced applications of sentencing guidelines. Carter had offered to provide a real estate developer who was cooperating with the FBI with lists of foreclosed homes for a fee, and discussed paying a $500 kickback for the developer's county contractor's license. These transactions were clandestinely recorded by the FBI informant, a tactic instrumental in cementing the government's case. Carter was subsequently indicted and found guilty. However, Carter challenged his conviction, arguing that there was insufficient evidence to prove his actions met the stringent requirements for violating the Hobbs Act, actions that significantly affect interstate commerce. The court, considering the potential implications of these actions on Carter's business interests, ruled that there was indeed sufficient evidence to affirm the charges. In this saga of legal wrangling, Carter also contested his sentencing, which he argued was improperly conducted. The district court, he claimed, erred in treating the sentencing guidelines as mandatory, leaving no room for individual circumstances or mitigating factors. The U.S. Appeals Court ultimately upheld Carter's conviction but conceded to his claims on sentencing. In a nod to the complexities of the criminal justice system, the court ruled that the sentencing guidelines should not be considered as rigid parameters, but as flexible guidelines. Consequently, the case was sent back to the district court for resentencing, instructing the sentencing judge to thoughtfully weigh all Section 3553A factors to arrive at a fair and objectively reasonable sentence. In this way, Carter's legal battle has not only led to the reopening of his case for reconsideration, but also underscored the importance of discretion in sentencing.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.